Thutha wa kuhetithio kwa maminista, president yerekeire imwe kwa imwe nginyagia cukuru wa ruhonge rwa NYS mwena wa girigiri kuria makurutu makiria ma 15,000 magutugagirio thutha wa kurikia mathomo mao. Guku ni kuatariirie ikinya inene riria thirikari yake iratanya gutacukia ria kuhuthira andu ethi gukinyaniria cioneki nene inya na itanya ria kurehe ugaruruku bururi-ini.
The pillars of the big four are held up by our youth in every area of endeavor. Our young people are called to distinguish themselves.
President ni athite ruhonge rwa NYS rwambiririe tabarira cia guthondeka mbeca maundu-ini ta urimi, utumi wa nguo ona miako.
Further bolster the resolve to engage our youth in gainful employment, I have directed the NYS to spearhead the revival of the cotton industry and to put its vast land parcels into viable use.
Ninge president aruta watho ati migunda yothe ya ruhonge rwa NYS iria igwatirwo ni andu kiumbe icokio o rio.
I have also directed the recovery of all NYS land illegally converted to private use, as well as the allocation of 100,000 acres of the Galana Kulalu complex and the Model National Irrigation Board farm in Tana Delta to be given to the service.
Oho president no augite mubango wa kuhe andu ethi mawira rungu rwa NYS ucokererie akiuga tabarira ino ni iteithĩtie hanene hari gukiria miikarire ya aria matari na uhoti.
The end of October 2017, as the PS has mentioned, the program had engaged 236,250 community youth in 253 constituencies across all our 47 counties.
Igongona riri niguo uma wira wa mbere hari minister mweru ruhonge-ini rwa andu ethi Professor Margaret Kobia thutha wa mihitwa ya kuya wabici rucini rwa umuthi. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV ritwa ni wa ngui wa Mwangi.
Thank you, Your Excellency, sir.